Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. And I was asked this question just now: how can I delete and get rid of all my spam with one click? And before I answer that question, hit that subscribe button because I have a whole lot more videos coming out on how to use Google Workspace and Gmail as business tools. So I have two options once I'm in the spam folder. Number one, I can click this right here, but then I have to click OK, and that's 2 clicks. That's one way you could do it. Another way you could do it is this. I can hit this button here, which is 1 click, and then I can hit this button right here, which would be 1 more click, and that would delete them forever. So the bottom line is there is no way to empty your spam folder with you clicking 1 click, but there is another alternative. And the other alternative is to leave it alone. Just do your best to ignore the spam, because every message that comes in will be deleted automatically in 30 days. So just leave it alone. It's not that much data. It's not in the way. All the important stuff's over here. All the important stuff is here. I can just ignore the spam folder altogether. Or when I go to the spam folder, because I may be looking for something that's important to me, if I don't see anything important, then I can simply click 1, 2, and make them go away. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.